During these difficult times of lockdown, you might be thinking, how do I pay the next month bill? If you're thinking, I wish I had another income, a passive income, which can support myself and my family during these difficult times. There's one opportunity for you to start right now, as the 2020 is an absolutely fantastic time to go ahead to start a new business. Now let me show you one of the articles which is published in the Economic Times, which says in the year 2016, there were 1.6 million users who are actively participating in e-learning, and they're going to be 9.6 million users by the year 2021. So I have another article which was published in Business World, which says the e-learning industry is growing at a 25% year on year, and it is projected to be 1.96 billion industry by 2021. Now this industry gives you an enormous opportunity to make as much as money as you want to. Now you might be asking me, how do I start in this industry? It's very, very simple. You start in this industry by teaching online. You might be thinking that I have ever taught anything in my life. Trust me, it is very, very easy. You can teach your life lessons, your experiences. There's something that might be you are very good at. You can get started by teaching all these things online with the help of online courses. If you're thinking, how do I get into this? How do I create online courses? I am creating a 100% free course for you to get started into this industry. If you want me to create this course and give it to you for free, comment below and tell me, I want this course. I repeat, you'll have to comment below in the comment section saying you want this course, and I'll be creating this course for you. I'll share a link in the upcoming videos where you can access this course and learn how to create online courses and sell them online. If you're coming to my channel for the first time, subscribe this channel, hit that bell icon. You get notification of the videos that I upload in the future. Please share with your video with your friends and relatives whom you care and want them to grow along with you. Trust me, there's no competition here. There is enormous amount of opportunities available in this industry, as everybody is unique and everybody has something new to offer to this world, and the world is waiting for you to find your voice to communicate. Thank you.